We just landed at Meadow Creek. We flew down for a short fishing trip, and there's a couple of people up there camping, having a good time. They give us a little bit of beta on the fish. We're gonna try to act like we're a fisherman and we know what we're doing. We just came down this mountain. There's a steep trail to get down here, so we're gonna throw some flies in and see what we catch. We just made it across that creek. Shannon's feet are freezing. It's so cold that your feet ache as soon as you get in. So that was Shannon's first experience in the Flathead. There might be another one. Yeah, I agree. All right, this is Shannon's first fish. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
He wants to be in the water.
He's going. How's it feel?
Feels good. Kevin said, "That's a good cast," and then he said, "You have a fish."
It was quick.
Ruined my entire fishing line.
We just spent about 20 minutes getting a knot out, but we got it. We're back. We're gonna tie a fly on. We're gonna try it again. This place is gorgeous. And we didn't even find the best spot yet. This isn't even like the best, clearest eddy line. I mean, there's a little bit of shade here, but we just didn't have a lot of time to go the furthest place. But we both caught a fish. 1 and 1. Let's see how we do. Next 4 days we made Ryan Field our base camp, so we just flew out to other fields and then came back. So in that last clip you saw us going to Meadow Creek, where we fished for a couple of hours, caught a couple of fish and really enjoyed it, and then flew back up the valley to Ryan Field. So the next day my buddy Ryan drove in, and he drove up in his Land Cruiser. I was excited to have my buddy Ryan come out and hang out with us because 2 years ago in 2021, him and I did a pack rafting trip where we hiked in, floated on pack rafts, and went through the Bob Marshall Wilderness, caught a bunch of fish, camped out for a bunch of nights, had a great time. And I really enjoyed that, so I was excited to come back out and meet him in Montana and fly him out to a spot that he hadn't been before, or at least that is harder to get to, so we could go fish some more. So that was pretty exciting for him to drive the Land Cruiser up, come hang out with us, and get to know some people, go drive into Glacier, explore that area, and enjoy his summer while he was taking some time off work. We hung out at that cabin for the first couple hours, got settled in, and then later we flew down to Spotted Bear to go fishing there. Ryan and I had kind of talked about it before. He had been scouting the area, and we figured why not go down there and throw flies in for the rest of the day. So we had to double shuttle because Shannon and I were in the plane. We took the back seat out, so I didn't have all 4 seats. So I just basically took Ryan down there first. We got some gas on the way, dropped him off. He fished for a couple hours while I flew back, got Shannon, and then flew her down. So then we continued to fish for the rest of the day and then reversed that on the way back. Look at this guy. Oh. That's a good fish. Yeah. Here, hold the net and keep it.
He's out of the fly.
I know. Okay. Hold the net. Oh. Hold the net. There you go. All right.
Yes.
Good shot. You want to hold him?
No.
He's a strong guy.
Yeah, he looks big.
Alright, I just got my first fish, but it's smaller than Shannon's first fish already. That guy's not a bad guy.
Yeah, and then anything beyond that rock is more.
I was actually just filming you and letting it drift down. Across that little part to the down there.
Chasing, I really need.
So the next day, we had planned to go ride into the park with Shannon's sister and brother-in-law, Will and Sabrina. So we met up with them. They came out, had breakfast with us at the cabin, gave us a ride. We spent the whole day in Glacier hiking, driving, checking out all the sights to be seen. And that really made it nice to get out and have wheels and not leave everybody at Ryan Field stranded, because there is a courtesy car, but we just didn't want to take it for like a 13, 14-hour day up into the park. So we got to explore around Glacier and really enjoy it before heading out to Idaho for our next adventure. All right, we just landed a whitefish and met Will and checked out the project they've been working on. Pretty cool house. And now they offer free bikes to take downtown to Whitefish. So it's a mile ride. We got these bad-ass bikes. We're gonna go ride down there and check out the town. It's not mountain biking, but climbing a hill right now. I guess that's something.
Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering you. Why you got your head down? Come over to me. I'll wrap you up in me. Give you all good energy. Yeah. There's jewels around your head, don't you forget it. Your clothing, golden threads, it's all meant for you. Now listen to my words, look right at me, and tell me where it hurts. Tell me what you need. Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering you. Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering you. Tell me, baby, baby, tell me what is bothering you.